A new skincare trend may be catching on across the nation, and it's starting right here in Central Ohio. We'll take you inside the Beauty Coach M.D.
For your health this morning, for the first time ever, you can now address skincare concerns without even having to leave work. Central Ohio is now the home of Beauty Coach M.D. It's the first one in the nation.
And we went on board the mobile medical unit to find out what it all entails, and now you're about to see for yourselves.
From the outside, it's pretty impressive. It's a big, beautiful RV, but it's hard to tell exactly what goes on here until you go inside.
Hello. Hello. Come on in. Welcome to the Beauty Coach M.D. Here it is.
When you walk in, you hardly feel like you're in a doctor's office, but basically you are. Dr. Anne Therese Stubbs worked in the emergency room, trauma, for 12 years. But now she focuses on cosmetic procedures, and she's been doing that for the last 8 years. She created the Beauty Coach M.D. because she says the need is there and that Columbus is perfect for it.
Columbus has a lot of retail corporations, and the associates that work at these places are busy people. So they'll go to work at 7 in the morning, maybe get out at 7 or 8 at night, and they have very limited time.
But now time is of the essence because this office comes to you. The most important procedure, screening for cancer.
So we can definitely look at the skin and see if there's any suspicious looking moles or brown spots that are of concern, but we also do the reveal imaging, which is a special camera, shows you the browns that are right underneath the skin, and it can kind of point you to areas of concern that you might want to keep an eye on.
Skin cancer is a huge problem throughout Central Ohio right now. Dr. Stubbs says especially for women under 40, but that's not the most popular procedure. That would be Botox. It's used to relax facial muscles.
When you've made a face over and over again, a little line will develop because you've folded and folded and folded, and all of a sudden the skin has a little wrinkle in it where the muscle has moved over and over again. So what Botox does is just selectively relax certain muscles so that we can smooth that area.
It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and you should see changes in a week to 10 days. Something else that a lot of women, even some men, are trying these days, fillers. As people age, we often lose volume in our face.
Where we used to have, plump cheeks, or we used to have the volume right under our eyes, we hollow a little bit, and so that hollowing makes people feel a little bit like their face is drooping.
Fillers are designed to plump out those little lines. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and we're told that you'll see the results immediately. People can often have long and grueling work days. That's why the Beauty Coach M.D. was created, to help those workers find time that they usually don't have.
Studies show that when you look better and you feel better about the way you look, you're just more positive to be around.
The Beauty Coach M.D. will come to your workplace for free, but of course the procedures range in price. For example, a simple eyebrow wax is $12, or you can get a couple inches of fat frozen off your body. That's $1,400. But of course, anytime you do anything like this, always check with your doctor to see if your skin is right for it, because it's not right for everybody.
Right. Wow. I can't. I love me some Joan Rivers. And it's just what comes to mind. And she makes fun of herself because she's had these things done so many times.
Well, hasn't she done the whole plastic surgery?
Oh, she's had work done.
And like you said,
she makes fun of herself for it.
Goes on and on about it.
It's actually part of her act at this point, and it's really funny. They probably won't do anything like that for you. It's just anyway, I love me some Joan Rivers. A lot of local